So it's a new day. I actually made a video yesterday, but I couldn't upload it. My devices went off. So I just want to show us a trade I caught this morning. This is AUDUSD. This is AUDUSD. So this is a trade I caught this morning. This is 1:4.28. Okay, so how did I catch this trade? Let me go to 1 hour time frame. I trade simple market, just simple market structure. All you need in this field is clarity. Once you have clarity, once you have clarity and simplicity, you don't need to make anything complex. Clarity and then the right timing, your trades will be going well. Okay, so let me delete all this so that I'll show you how I got the buy trade. So initially this week I had the intention of selling, but day before yesterday, I saw that, or yesterday or day before yesterday, I saw that market structure has shifted from sell at least till now to buy. So there are times you come to the market and your intention is to buy, and then you see the way it's looking. Don't be stubborn. If you are seeing a setup in the opposite direction and then you do your careful analysis and you see it, buy. Don't be beclouded by your own personal bias, except you can wait. And that is the use of points of interest. You have some specific point you want to take a particular trade. If trade is not there yet, if you can sit on your hands, you sit on your hands. Are you seeing it now? And then if trade is not there yet, and then maybe you want to sell at a particular point above, and then you are seeing that the price is below, and then you want to sell there, and you are seeing a buy setup there clean with the right timing, you can take it. If you are not so confident in it, you can size down. You see, you have literally 100% control of what to give to the market. Are you seeing it now? So it cannot just forcefully take your money. That's why there's stop loss and then there's take profit. Are you seeing it now? So looking at this setup on daily time frame, this market is a sell. Right, on daily time frame, it is still a sell. You see, it's higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then it could not make okay, this higher low, then lower high, then lower low. So probably market is going back to make a lower high. Are you seeing it now? So in daily time frame, it is still a sell. Are you seeing it now? In daily time frame, it is still a sell. This is where market is coming to. I use breaker blocks. Are you seeing it now? So I'm looking for the closest breaker block, the closest black candle that gave a sweep of liquidity. This is a black candle. Let me point it. There's a sweep of liquidity here, or a break of structure, but that's a sweep of liquidity. This is a black candle, so this is a breaker block. Are you seeing it now? See where it is. Then there's also a sweep of liquidity here, and then the candle that is responsible, the black candle, the last black candle before that impulse, that push that swept that liquidity or broke that structure, is this one. So I'm going to mark this last black candle as my breaker block. Are you seeing it now? So I'm going to mark this last black candle as my breaker block. Please, if I believe you are finding these videos very educative, do well to subscribe and like, so that whenever I post something, you'll be able to see it. Okay, so I'm marking this last black candle. I'm not hiding anything. Are you seeing it now? So market is a sell. Market is expected to come into this place. Are you seeing it now? And then drop. So this is an area. Are you seeing it now? And this is an area of interest. My overall target for sell is this place, as I have said in other videos, is this place. Okay, so over on a daily time frame, it is still a sell. Now I can refine this particular area to this let's go to, let's see 4 hours time frame. Let's see 1 hour time frame. Now on 4 hours time frame, markets kept selling. What I was, let me refine it this same zone to 4 hour time frame. You see this this last okay, let me use this arrow tool. This last black candle before this huge drop that broke structure, I use it as my supply zone, I use it, and some people call it other block. I use it, this particular black candle, the last candle, usually is the last candle, whether is whatever color it is, the last candle before an impulsive candle that breaks structure is a very good supply zone. Right now, so I'm going to mark that. You can see that that zone also falls within the, unless I forget, remember I told you that I'm using this zone as my sell target, using this zone as my sell target because of these relative equal lows. They are relative equal lows. Market will, a lot of people have their stop losses here, those that as what do we call it, those that are swingers, or those that entered there that have not come out, they have their stop losses here. Lots of others are here. So market will come, it will serve as a magnet to price. Market will come back here to take out these guys. So that's what made me to choose that as my overall sell target. So look at this play. I'm expecting price to come here and turn if it is still a sell. But looking at this market structure on 4 hours time frame, you can see it on 4 hours time frame. This has not been validated yet. Okay. It has not been fully invalidated yet. This particular supply. But look at market structure. Lower low, lower high, lower low. Market really struggle. Self liquidity. There is struggle between the mid and then close above this. So market is good. Yeah, what we are seeing is what you are seeing. Forget about, sometimes forget about your bias until it gives you confirmation. What we are seeing now, market is buying. Are you seeing it now? Market is buying. I will try to upload because I have a lot of gems in the video I wanted to upload yesterday. I'm going to upload that. It's going to help a lot. Now, but for today, you can see that market is is in a buy direction. So I just went to 1 hour time frame now. So how did I, you can see that market has totally shifted in 1 hour time frame. The same thing. Are you seeing it now? This is AUDUSD. Let's just take it like this. Lower, lower high, swept liquidity, struggle. Are you seeing it? You could not make a lower low. Let's just do this. Can you see it now? The swept liquidity, kept sweeping liquidity. There's something I explained yesterday. I don't want to take much time to explain that again. It has shifted structure here. Are you seeing it now? So we are in a buy trend. Are you seeing it now? So this one shifted since yesterday on 1 hour time frame. So sometimes that is the importance of lower time frames. Sometimes they give you early entries, although you could get a lot of noise, but time frames that are 1 hour unless they give you very, if you are very good in reading market structure, it gives you quick signals that market is doing whatever it wants to do. Are you seeing it now? Coupled with your point of interest and so many other things. But you can keep it as simple. If you can trade market structure, if you can use market structure at the right time, your trades will be very, very simple. So let me quickly go to 15 minutes time frame. I don't want this video to be too long. To 15 minutes time frame, or let me go, because I took my own to 5 minutes time frame. Let me go straight to 5 minutes time frame. You can see the market is already reacting to at the point that we marked. It's reacting downwards, but that does not mean we are going to take sell until we see very, very strong confirmation. Now This is my Asian range that I marked. So immediately I saw that market swept liquidity down this Asian range. Let me zoom out this stuff so that it will be easy for you to see what's happening. I'm trying to delete this stuff so that I can see clearly. Good. So this is the Asian range. Market came and swept liquidity. Are you seeing it now? It came lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high. It swept liquidity here, and then it shifted structure. Are you seeing this? You can see that line there. It shifted structure above, closed above it. Are you seeing it now? I was not satisfied with this entry because I didn't see a fair value gap. Are you seeing now? I was not very satisfied with it. So what did I do? But it's not just fair value gaps I use. The main thing I use in my entries are breaker blocks. Let me show you this. Oh, sorry, picking the wrong tool. Are breaker blocks. You see this particular this candle, this gray candle is like the sell candle. My gray candles are my sell candle. This particular candle that gave a move that swept liquidity here is my breaker block, because the energy price came above it, it became my breaker block. Are you seeing it now? What is a breaker block? It's very simple. A breaker block is another block that has been violated. Are you seeing it now? Another block is supposed to break structure. Are you seeing it? So let's say for a bearish order block now, the last candle that gave a push that broke structure is the very first by the candle before the consecutive down sell candles that broke structure is the other block. So when price now turns around and goes above it and closes above it, that particular order block now becomes a breaker block. Are you seeing it now? So it becomes a breaker block. So is this particular candle that I mark that I usually use for my entries or for choosing my points of interest. So what did I do? I simply mark the breaker block. Are you seeing it now? Let me delete this so that we can. So I marked that breaker block, and then when price closed above it, I could have entered with that breaker block, but no. What I did is I used the newly formed order block under this last candle, this last gray candle. Let me show you this last gray candle. This last gray candle before this impulsive candle that broke structure is what I used. Are you seeing it? And that's exactly what I used for my entry. So let me just mark that quickly. If you follow this video and it's early morning, you can see it's the right timing. This is pre-London session. So as I saw it, because it was not fully time for London session, so I just risked a little. Are you seeing it now? So this was my entry. I placed my sell limit there, put my stop loss here, and then I targeted the other end of liquidity. So it was a 4.28. I got out. Once I'm with my chart, I don't wait to say it has to hit TP. Once it's very very close to some pips, I close the trade. That's what I do. Except I'm not on my chart. I'm not trying. It's ego that wants you to say it must hit TP. Are you seeing it? And then sometimes you end up losing. So once it's very close to it, I just leave the rest to the market. You can't take everything. Are you seeing it now? So this is how I went about the trade. Let me stop the video here. So please, if you have not liked, if you have not subscribed, do it so that you'll be getting things, quality things. Like if you follow me, I think I will be able to make this stuff very very easy for you. All right, thank you.